Hello, everyone. Imagine feeling uneasy or anxious when you're away from your phone or computer. Have you ever caught yourself mindlessly scrolling through social media, even though you have other tasks to do? If so, you might be experiencing signs of digital dependency. But don't worry, we're here to understand it better and learn how to manage it. By the end of this lecture, you will understand what digital dependency is, recognize the signs and symptoms of digital dependency. Understanding digital dependency. Digital dependency, also known as technology addiction, occurs when an individual becomes excessively reliant on digital devices such as smartphones and computers. This dependency can interfere with daily life, relationships, education, career, and overall well-being. It's important to note that digital dependency isn't just about the amount of time spent on devices, but also how that time affects your life. Signs and symptoms of digital dependency. Behavioral signs. Constant checking. Do you find yourself constantly checking your phone, even when you haven't received any notifications? This is a common sign of digital dependency. Neglecting responsibilities. Are you neglecting work, school, friendships, or personal responsibilities because you're too engrossed in your digital devices? Loss of interest. Have you lost interest in activities you once enjoyed, preferring to spend time online instead? Analogy. Think of digital dependency as being like a magnet. Just as a magnet draws metal objects towards it, digital devices pull you in with their constant stream of notifications and entertainment. Initially, this pull might seem harmless, like a gentle tug. But over time, the magnetic force strengthens, making it increasingly difficult to break free. Emotional signs. Anxiety and irritability. Do you feel anxious or irritable when you can't access your phone or the internet? This withdrawal-like symptom is a clear indicator of dependency. Restlessness. Do you feel restless or uncomfortable during periods of inactivity, immediately turning to your devices for stimulation? Example. When your phone battery is low or you forget your device at home, you feel a surge of anxiety and frustration. Physical signs. Sleep disturbances. Are you having trouble sleeping because you're using your phone or computer late into the night? Example. You stay up late into the night scrolling through your phone, making it difficult to wake up on time the next morning. Even if you know that you have to wake up early, it's almost impossible to stop doom scrolling. Assignment. Create a series of memes that highlight the signs of digital dependency. Use humor to convey serious messages. Share your memes with your friends and vote for the funniest and most insightful. Further reading. To gain a deeper understanding, I recommend reading Irresistible: The Rise of Addictive Technology and the Business of Keeping Us Hooked by Adam Alter. This book explains how technology is designed to be addictive and its impact on our lives. Conclusion. We can achieve a healthier, more balanced relationship with our digital devices by recognizing the signs and impacts of this dependency and implementing strategies to manage it.